Today we are exploring the Meatpacking District by seeing the Whitney Art Museum and a cool rooftop restaurant. I'm Hava, and if you haven't already, consider joining this community by subscribing to this channel, turning on notifications, and while you're at it, go ahead and like this video. Plus, you can join me over on Instagram at hava.media for day-to-day content. Now, let's check out the Meatpacking District. The Meatpacking District is a pretty small neighborhood. It's bordered by Chelsea, which is considered part of Midtown, and the West Village, which is considered part of downtown. It spans only a few blocks, and it's about 44 acres. Hence the name. The Meatpacking District was once a location that had lots of slaughterhouses and packing plants, but now it's a glamorous area with high-end retail stores and restaurants. Next stop is the Whitney Museum of American Art, also known as the Whitney. This museum features 19th century and contemporary art with a special focus on living artists. The flagship exhibition is the Biennial, which is the longest running survey of American art. However, hence the name Biennial, it only happens every couple years, so I would recommend you check the website before you come just to make sure that it is happening, because at the time of this recording, which is 2023, the Biennial is not occurring. That said, this museum is still happening, so there are other things to see besides just the Biennial collection, such as the Whitney collection, which features selections from 1900 to 1965. This museum also rotates several temporary exhibits, so one that I visited that I thought was very interesting is called Inheritance. But something that's not necessarily an exhibit, but I didn't even know about, I just stumbled into it, and you cannot miss the rooftop. There is an exhibition on that top floor, but also if you go to the cafe, you can get something to eat or drink, and then you can eat at the nice area inside, or you can go outside where you get stunning views of the city, which include not only the Meatpacking District from sort of an aerial view, but you also can see the skyline. You can see the One World Trade Center, you can see the Empire State Building, you can even see Summit One Vanderbilt, all from that rooftop. You can also see Little Island from there, which is a neat city park over the water, and I actually have a whole video that features Chelsea and other things to do, which, remember, Chelsea is just north of this neighborhood, so you can go ahead and watch that video after this if you're interested in seeing it, which includes Little Island. This is just an amazing photo spot that I would definitely recommend you do not miss if you have the chance to come to the Whitney. If you're wondering what it costs to come have this experience, well, at the time of this recording, an adult ticket costs $25, but if you come on Fridays between 7 and 10 p.m., it is pay what you wish. Elegant place to dine is the Restoration Hardware Rooftop restaurant. It's on the 5th floor of Restoration Hardware, New York, which is a 90,000 square foot design gallery. not be big geographically, but it's definitely big in terms of how cool it is of a place to hang out. So, speaking of big in size, I'm working on growing this YouTube channel, so if you'd like to support the content you see here, it would be great if you could go ahead and subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications, and of course, like this video and drop a comment as always. And I'm also over on Instagram at hava.media if you want to hang out for more day-to-day content. Either way, thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to see you on the streets of New York, or at least in the next video. Bye!